In this short iLearning, you will learn how to create a permanent request link to add to your email or signature tagline when you are requesting files from your client. The Copy Permanent Request Files link is a unique URL that is created within each client file area. To access, locate a client site in iChannel. Next, click on the File options located in the Site ribbon. Here you will locate the Copy Permanent Request link to the clipboard. Select the Copy Permanent Request link and it will make a copy or a unique URL to this dedicated client site area that you can now add to an email or to your signature tagline. There are multiple ways to add the permanent request file link to your email or signature tagline. Let's take a moment to look at that in greater detail. So first, let's just locate a client site. I'm going to use the My Recent Sites widget. I'm going to access the client file area. Now again, from the top ribbon for the client site, I'm going to click on the More Options, File Options icon. And I'm first going to go ahead and select Copy Permanent Request Files link to the clipboard. Now I'm going to get confirmation that that has been copied to my clipboard. Now let's use that link in action. So I'm just going to go back. So now that I've copied that file link, I'm going to go back over to the client file area. And I'm going to select the request files from the gear icon for that unique client. Now, as you can see here down in my signature tagline, I'm going to add a link in this email that I'm using in iChannel, and I'm going to copy that and place that permanent link to this client file area in the body of my email. Now, I'm going to just click on the drop down arrow to get some of my features located here. I've got a link icon. I'll select that. I'll just paste that URL located right here. Now, it is recommended that you update the display text to something that your client would be able to quickly recognize that this is a link for them to upload files. So once I get that display text entered, I'll just select OK. And as you can see here, it has created a quick link for my client. So once I send this email out to the client will just need to click on that link and it will allow them to quickly upload files and send them back directly to the client file area. Now, additionally, if this is a link that you think you'll be using a lot for this client that you're working with, and you want it to always be part of your signature tagline, and you don't want to always come in here and add it each and every time, what you can do is go to your profile, which is located in the top right corner. Click on the My Profile link. You'll see here's my signature tagline that I've already set up. Now I'm just going to go in here, make some additional space, and I can just copy that link that I had on that email located earlier. Just place that link in here, and this will permanently be on my signature tagline every time I generate an email using the iChannel email system. Again, I do have the drop down arrow, and I could click on the link icon here. If I had any changes to the link info, I could make those changes right here. In addition, if you are not using iChannel to facilitate the start of a new email or a reply to an email, you can go directly to your email system and start a new email. And now that you've got that link, that permanent link copied, you can then just place it in an email and send an email directly to your clients to ask your client upload any request files for iChannel. Now, your clients will receive an email, and within that email, there'll be a link that the user can click, and that will allow them to start uploading files. As you can see, the client would get a Submit Files link. It would be requested that they put in their email credentials. Once they've entered their email credentials, they can click the Proceed button. And from here, the client can easily just drop files or browse for files and upload those files directly back into the client file area. All files that the client uploads using the request link would appear in the Submit Files. Thank you for watching this quick iLearning video on how to use the iChannel Permanent Request Files link in an email.